Hey, y'all, wake up, man. It's called the Barber. So, I'm gonna answer a question from one of my subscribers. So what he asked was, he said, I just signed up for barber school. I've been cutting my brother and my girlfriend brother and my own hair. I'm a little scared of not succeeding. I like listening to podcasts, so I feel like I and the client have a small podcast, but I know some don't want to talk. So I'm assuming that he's having problems with clients that don't talk, right? Or he having a problem, he may think that something's wrong because a client is not talking, or every client is not talking. And I'm here to tell you, every client is not gonna wanna talk. You understand what I'm saying? Some clients just don't talk. That's just how it goes. They probably naturally introvert. You know, they may be socially awkward, and that's fine. Some people just want to come in and get their hair cut, you know. But you do have your clients that want to come in and talk up a storm. See, what you don't want to do is you don't want to overtalk a client that don't talk. Because if they're an introvert, they'll get uncomfortable because you talking too much. Sometimes you just gotta be quiet and cut their hair, let them be quiet, and they thank you, they pay you, tip well, and they gone. That's what they need. So I was taught this in barber college. It's a way that you test to see if a client is gonna talk or not. What you do is, you know, you try to spark up a little conversation, you know, what's your name, where you from, or, you know, try to mention something. Hey, you seen the Lakers play, or, you know, anything, you know, hey, what kind of shoes those are you got on, you know, whatever, right? The average person are just, you know, they like to talk about themselves, so they'll just go in, they'll start from there, hey, you know, and get to talking. But then you guys, the introverts or the socially awkward people, you'll say those things to them and they just like, you know, yeah, you know, okay, yeah. You know, they don't want to talk. And if you over talk them, you can make them uncomfortable and they won't come back to you no more. You understand what I'm saying? Everybody don't talk. And if I'm not mistaken, let me check. You mentioned that you scared of not succeeding. And you said you just signed up for barber school and you're afraid of not succeeding. I tell you what, make sure you tune into these videos. Like, go through my content. I give out so much game. Go all the way down as far as you can and check out some of my videos and check out some of my content. I give out a lot of game, man. You understand? And obviously you already subscribed. You understand? Just tune into the content. You know, there's other barbers content on the internet as well, you know, but definitely check out my content. Like, the information helps, right? We gain confidence from what we know, the knowledge that we have. You may not have wisdom, you may not know what to do in your career. It's certain things that's coming up and you don't know what to do about it, but you can learn through these videos, at least to get you some knowledge, and you will be confident going into those situations. You understand? It's not a matter of succeeding or not. You just do the things you need to do step by step, and you're gonna get to where you're trying to go. You know, put that vision in your head of what it is that you want out of this. Recognize where you are. Take the proper steps, step by step, starting from the bottom to get to where you're trying to go. And you step in confidence with the information that you get. Like, you doing it now, you seeking information, and that's good. You understand? So don't be afraid to succeed. If this is what you want to do, if you want to be a barber, then consume barber content, revolve your life around barbering, and get to it, man. It ain't nothing to it. It's not about succeeding. People usually are afraid to not succeed because they are not confident. You understand? Build your confidence up. You feel me? You can do that with knowledge, so you can get to where you're trying to go, man. You understand? So I hope that helped you, and I hope that helped anybody that's having this problem with clients that's not talking. It's a pretty simple thing to deal with. It's one of the base things to deal with, man. Y'all like the video? Leave your comments down below and questions down below, man. Y'all like the video, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, wake y'all asses up.